right, everybody, so now we're going to get into this great cutaway that Dan has for us to demonstrate how to do the manual override on your Schwintech slide. Obviously, we get probably the most questions for new RVers, just because when they go through the troubleshooting process, they want to know what can they do to manually override. So Dan, with that, if you would, just kind of get into what our process is going to be.
Absolutely, Will. So with the Schwintech system, there's a few ways to override it. So right now we'll go with the electric mode, basically. Okay. So first off, we have to locate the control module. That's going to be somewhere inside the coach, more than likely near that slide box. Okay. They may have to give you folks or our folks a call to help locate that. But right on that box it says how to manually override, and it says step 1, step 2. So what we're going to do is inside of this window there's a little mode button. It's white in color. We're going to find that mode button, and I'm going to block this just for a second so I can actually see what I'm doing. And we're going to press it 6 times and then hold it in on the 7. When I do this, you'll see green and red lights in there start to flash. So hold it in on the 7th time, and we're waiting for the red and the green lights to start to rapidly flash at us. After about 5 seconds, you should do that. And now at this point, we have 45 seconds to go ahead and run that room all the way in and get going. So right now, in this event, you saw that it dropped out. Not an issue. We would just go back through that procedure. Hold it again for 5 seconds. And then just put it in that manual override. I'll go ahead and run it so you guys can see that. And right now we can run it in or out. For a customer who's stuck though, we're just going to go ahead and run that room all the way in to get mobile. We don't want a customer trying to run this room out ever if they get to a campground, because in the event maybe that motor is just about to fail, if you run it out, you have the potential to get stuck there, and it's going to be harder to get mobile, and then we're going to have to worry about mobile techs, mobile service, and that kind of stuff. So we recommend only ever using this to run that room to a fully retracted position to get on the road safely.